Hello, guys, welcome back to your favorite podcast that is the Rant Room. I am Nidhi S. Kumar, and here's Aryan and Atharva with us. So, today we are talking about ADHD, something a lot of people have heard about, but many still misunderstand in like many places, especially in our society. It's often dismissed as laziness, lack of discipline, but ADHD is actually a real neurodevelopmental condition that affects how the brain handles attention, impulses, and sometimes even organization and stuff. So, before we go deeper, I want to ask you guys, what do you think people usually misunderstand most about ADHD, or what actually is ADHD?
Okay, so जितना भी मैंने पढ़ा है, so I was researching for 2 days. Okay, so common symptoms I'll tell you. उसका symptoms बता रहा था ना मैं. मुझे ADHD है. Yes. I heard.
What? Adhud. Okay.
That.
No, actually, me being a ADHD person, I was like going on about what if there's someone out there saying ADHD as adhud? Adhud. Nice.
Stop. Have you ever tried to focus on something important? Okay, no, listen. क्या बता रहा था मैं भूल गया. मेरा ADHD किक कर रहा है. ओके, ADHD का फुल फॉर्म हो गया. सो ADHD का फुल फॉर्म होता है अटेंशन डेफिसिट हाइपर एक्टिव डिसऑर्डर. अरे यार तुम्हें आता है क्या? I was saying, have you ever tried to focus on something important, but your brain keeps jumping from one thought to another thought? That is something like ADHD. Like, see, whenever I think like I didn't have like proper checkup or something like that, but I think I have ADHD. Like we, yeah. Because see, I forgot.
Problems with ADHD.
The is real example of ADHD. But seriously, I have seen a lot of people who have ADHD. Like they are actually very successful. मुझे ऐसा लगता है ना, मुझे these are some benefits of ADHD. कि अगर आप एक रूम में आपको बिठा देते हैं ना, उसके बाद आपसे बोल देते हैं कि you have this whiteboard and write your thoughts. So you have a lot of thoughts. You will write a lot of thoughts and you have a lot of ideas in your mind. Wait, I have a question. तो ये benefits है ADHD के. Like there are a lot of famous people.
You mean to say ADHD can also be beneficial in creativity field?
Yeah. Like seriously, there are people like who have ADHD and their नाम पता ना सर. लियोनार्डो दा विंची, मोनालिसा का जिसने पेंटिंग बनाया था. हाँ, don't you know that software?
What software?
Da Vinci software. It's okay. So like, I have a question that what exactly is ADHD and how is it different from normal distraction? I will tell you how. When you have ADHD, no, like normal distraction क्या होगा कि अगर आप एक चीज़ पे फोकस करना चाह रहे हो, still आप सोच के बैठते हो कि नहीं मुझे करना ही करना है, तो you can focus on something. Okay, you can focus on that. But अगर आपको ADHD है, you cannot, you can never. Okay, so like I have this one thing. I don't know it comes under ADHD or not, but whenever I will sit somewhere and I will start shaking my leg continuously, I cannot stop it.
Yes, that happens to me as well.
I cannot stop it. Like my mom, every time I'll do that, my mom will like stop it, and this is not good. मैं बताऊँ, मुझे लगता है कि ना ऐसा जो मैंने रील्स वगैरह देखी तो this is because of anxiety or stress something. Anxiety.
Yeah, I've heard that also.
See, still I am doing that only. नहीं, but still no. देखो, एक ये होता है ना कि मैंने इस पे ये भी सिम्टम पढ़ा हुआ है ADHD का कि इम्पल्सिव होते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. जिनको ADHD होता है वो लोग बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पल्सिव होते हैं. तो मे बी दैट इज द रीजन कि मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल लाइक शेक देयर लेग्स.
And also about the normal distraction and ADHD distraction, it's more like, I think, because people who don't have ADHD, when they want to lock in, they will lock in. Only when they have like thoughts, or when they're sad, or something is actually happening in their family or something, they will get distracted. But if they want to lock in, they will lock in. They can keep their mind blank and still study. But we cannot do that. We have like a lot of thought process that's happening in our brain.
Yeah. अरे
Yeah,
यार,
seriously,
वो
we
जो
cannot stop. We cannot stop
पता है
thinking.
ऐसा होता है ना मेरे
Even
साथ।
while sleeping, no, we will have a lot of thoughts.
भाई मैं
Okay.
सोते सोते उठ के बैठ के ऐसे लगता है ना
अभी
अभी
मेरे
यार,
को
अभी
अचानक
मुझे
से
idea
ऐसे
आया।
मोटिवेशन
Yeah.
डोपामिन
हाँ।
हिट होता है ना रात के 3 बजे।
और फिर ऐसा लगता है अभी सारा काम हो जाएगा, बस करने बैठो, फिर थोड़ी देर बाद फिर नींद अरे सो जाते हैं, कल सुबह हो जाएगा वो तो।
नहीं मतलब एक काम आप करते हो उसके बाद तुरंत लगेगा कि चलो ये भी कर लेते हैं। ओके, और मैंने अभी ना जब से ADHD के बारे में पढ़ना स्टार्ट करा है तो उसको आता है, हिंदी समझ आती है उसको, ठीक है। तो जब से ADHD के बारे में मैंने पढ़ना स्टार्ट करा है ना, तो मैंने क्या नोटिस करा, मैंने ये चीज़ नोटिस करी है कि बहुत चीज़ें देखी है कि लोग बोलते हैं कि अगर आपको ADHD है तो यू लाइक टैप योर फिंगर्स ऑन टेबल, you are seeing a screen already and you are scrolling through your phone.
Oh, that happens a lot. Like you're watching TV and you're still on the phone. Yeah.
A lot man, a lot.
Yeah.
और फिर उसके बाद फिर ऐसा लगता है ना फोन मतलब देखने का फिर मन भी नहीं करता।
नहीं, हम देख नहीं रहे होते हैं, स्टिल हम लोग अगर उस पर भी फोकस्ड है, इस पे भी
वही।
फोकस्ड है, हमें ये भी देखना है वो भी देखना है।
पता नहीं क्यों।
तो this is something like living with ADHD is not like you know easy. Yeah, easy क्योंकि
भाई,
घर
वो
पे
तो
हर टाइम पे डांट पड़ती रहती है।
बहुत ज्यादा कि भाई जब एक चीज चल रही है तो तुम वो देखो ना, तुम्हारे सामने टीवी भी चल रहा है, फोन भी तुम यूज कर रहे हो, तो उस चीज पे तो
And one thing that is not very fair is this older generations, no, they don't actually see these ADHD and other, you know, other things as some condition. They always blame it as like something that you are developing. Something is your fault.
सबसे पहले तो वो चीज फोन पे जाती है।
हाँ, food.
They don't really give importance to all of that. You know, it gets so worse to a point.
Yeah.
They'll be like, there's nothing like that.
मतलब ऐसे
Not
बोलते हैं
really.
ना हमारे टाइम पे, हम तो बच्चे से बड़े हो गए, हमारे टाइम पे तो ये सब था भी नहीं।
आपके टाइम पे था बट यू जस्ट डिडंट नो इट
Exactly.
कि आपको ADHD है।
वही लोग वो लोग
Yeah,
बोलते हैं ना कि
yeah.
भाई हम इतने बड़े हो गए, इतने स्ट्रेस में रहते हैं, ये वो दुनिया, बट वो बोलते हैं नहीं हमारे टाइम पे तो नहीं था, तुमने क्रिएट करी हैं चीजें।
Exactly.
You know what, it's like so irritating when like you are focused on something and someone comes and be like listen. It's so irritating, it's so
बहुत
irritating.
ज़्यादा,
Even though
क्योंकि-
you're not in a bad mood, it's just
ऐसा लगता है ना
oh
भाई,
my god,
अगर
don't
जो-
annoy me.
जो
I'll
सामने
slap
रखा होता है
you.
ना ऐसे
Yeah.
फेंक दो उठा के।
Yeah, it's the constant irritation that we have. It's flowing.
Yeah, it feels
बहुत
like
ज़्यादा।
don't talk to me. You
Even-
just don't breathe, man. Don't breathe.
Oh my god, that's so real. That's so real.
Don't breathe.
भाई-
Even you're breathing,
I
it's
am
like irritating me. Don't breathe. You are not allowed to breathe around me.
भाई मुझे ऐसा लगता है ना कि भाई यार तुम या तो घर छोड़ के चले जाओ या तो मैं जा रहा हूँ घर
हाँ,
छोड़ के।
for
और फिर
real,
जब पीछे
for
पीछे
real.
वही आदमी आ जाए या कोई भी बंदा आ जाए ना, फिर ऐसा लगता है ना खून कर दे अब इसका।
So, like, I have one more questions. Can we connect this ADHD with traumas?
Yeah.
Like, is it because of traumas or like?
I
is-
think so.
Is it a like genetical?
It's not genetical, I guess, but because it says neurodevelopmental, it might be genetical also.
Okay, so like I was watching a podcast and there was this neurosurgeon, I don't know his name. So he was telling that I forgot on
That सुबह वाला that सुबह वाला
I forgot.
We keep forgetting things that we want to tell.
Yeah, and how can you expect like from us कि हम ये
Exact-
चीज याद रखेंगे लंबे टाइम तक, like अगर तुमने मेरे से ये काम के लिए बोला है तो how can you expect me to like remember it कि ये चीज कर देना।
जैसे अभी चीज मुझे मैं पता है मैं सुबह सुबह उठता हूँ, मेरे को लगता है कि अभी सुबह उठा हूँ, अब जाके मैं जो मेरी डायरी में कुछ चीज़ उसमें लिखी हुई है तो उस पर जाके मैं लिखूंगा, ठीक है। सुबह उठते ही भाई मैं जैसे वॉशरूम गया, मेरे को मैं कपड़े उठा के मैं निकल लिया वॉशरूम, मेरे को याद ही नहीं कुछ करना भी है मुझे।
Yeah, like we people who have ADHD, or if we think we have ADHD, we can only live in the present. Please don't ask us about the past, not the future. Don't be like, after 10 minutes you have to do this. No, we don't know about what is after 10 minutes. We only do it in the present.
No,
Yeah.
like see, if we'll plan the future, no, we'll plan everything. Everything we'll plan.
Exactly. Next 10 years is planned. Next 10 years is planned.
Like no, and you know what, Delulu. We live in Delulu.
और ऐसा वैसा डेलुलू नहीं भाई, बहुत एक्सट्रीम लेवल वाला डेलुलू
If it,
Yeah,
no,
actually.
but yeah, it actually like somewhere we are doing manifesting things
Yeah.
for us. So it's beneficial for us. So it's
That's
not
why we are
harmful.
successful. I'm not saying.
But no, sometimes it's so concerning. Like, see, if you're living in Delulu, it's fine that you will manifest things and stuff. But all the time, like, I am thinking, oh, private jets, going shopping.
Yeah,
And I don't want to go crazy. I don't want to be like, I'm a rich millionaire and
But
start
you know
smoking and
what?
stuff.
But you know what? When you're getting those thoughts, no, you cannot stop.
Stop,
You
yeah.
cannot stop daydreaming. You know,
Yeah.
you will sit like this and then be like, oh my god,
And
this is going to be made in
infinite
next 5
thoughts.
years.
Infinite thoughts. लोग बोलते हैं 60,000 60,000 thoughts आते हैं, but I don't think so. 60,000.
आज ही मैंने पॉडकास्ट देखा था उसमें बता रहा था कि लाइक आपको 100,000 थॉट्स इन अ डे यू गेट 100,000 थॉट्स.
जो मैंने जो बुक पढ़ी है द पावर ऑफ सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, उसमें था वो कि पूरे दिन में हमें 60,000 थॉट्स आते हैं. तो आई थिंक उतने ही आते होंगे, बट मुझे नहीं लगता कि भाई इतने कम
ADHD वालों को मतलब इतने कम थॉट्स नहीं है एक्चुअली. लाइक हमारे माइंड में ना इफ वी आर शूटिंग लाइक I am filming right now, but still I have a lot of thoughts in my mind.
Exactly.
Still there,
Mine is like zip, 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 zip. Things are going in my
Yeah,
head.
you know, मैं मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा थॉट है ना, मैं नेक्स्ट मोमेंट पे ये बोलूंगा और जब बोलने जाता हूँ तो मैं भूल जाता हूँ.
Exactly. And you know,
मैं उतनी देर से कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूं, बट बार बार ये हो रहा है ना कि भाई बात ही चलती जा रही है और फिर मैं भूल जा रहा हूँ कि मैं क्वेश्चन क्या पूछना है.
No, you know, there's a saying where like when a person passes away, his brain is active for the next 7 minutes and all his life will come in front of his eyes. We feel like that every time something is going in front of our eyes.
Yeah, and you know the difficult time, you know the hardest time is
Exam.
when you're trying to sleep.
Man, भाई पता है मैं फोन
When you're
लोग
trying
बोलते
to
हैं ना,
sleep, okay.
ऐसा बोलते हैं, सुनो लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि जब
you'll be like okay I'll sleep now. You'll be like okay I'll sleep now and you'll close your eyes.
Yeah.
And then still you are getting so many thoughts. I forgot.
No, for me, ADHD gets so worse to a point. I will have exam. I know I have to study. It's for
But
100
still
marks.
I will do.
It should hit 4 a.m. in the day of the exam. 9:30 I will have exam. 4 a.m. I'll start studying. I've done all the subjects like that this
In my
semester.
CA exams, no. In my
Arey
I
God.
knew that I have CA exams, but
CA
the
exam,
Delulu
man,
level,
CA exam.
you know, that Delulu I was in, I was like, hey,
Hey,
this
ये तो
exam,
है,
I'll pass.
Yeah.
I was like, I'll pass like this, yeah, you know. And then the result, I was crying like, oh my god.
It's fine, it's fine.
So yeah, these are the problems we face.
So I have a question कि जो जिनको ADHD होता है तो क्या कभी वो सक्सेसफुल नहीं होते हैं?
क्यों नहीं होते? I have a lot of examples. Wait, I have written. क्योंकि मुझे पता था मैं भूल
But the thing
जाऊंगा.
is, we are a lot more creative than the other people.
Yeah.
So we have
Because-
success rate in creative field. More than like forcing us to something that we don't want to do. And we
Yeah.
are stubborn as fuck. We want to do the thing we want to do. We are not like, my parents want me to do this and I'm...
Sorry, Akka, I have a question.
Yeah.
That what are some strengths of people with ADHD?
Strengths.
Yeah.
So,
Mostly they are like, multitasking.
highly creative,
people.
like.
Highly creative and multitasking. They can do multitasking.
They are like they have problem solving skills.
Not me.
And
I mean, any problem is fine. Math.
whenever you are like hyperactive, there will be times when you are hyperactive, and there will be times when you don't want to do anything, but still you want to do something.
मैंने अभी एक
but you
पॉइंट
will not
उठाया
do
था
anything.
कि वो जब लोग बोलते हैं ना कि हम वो क्रिएट करते हैं सोशल मीडिया और फ़ोन के थ्रू जो भी चीज़ें हैं, तो क्या वो सच में ऐसा है? इज ADHD caused too much phone or social media?
ADHD what?
Is ADHD caused by too much phone or social media? Like,
That could be one of the reasons, because you're constantly scrolling and constantly different topics is popping up on your phone. That could lead to different thoughts, and that could, like, even if you have
but that is a different topic, like even when you are not using your phone, okay, you are just sitting silently, you are in a blank room, okay, with a pen or a paper, and you have to write your thoughts. I bet your paper will not be blank.
Yeah.
Yes.
I bet.
मतलब मेरे साथ ना कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि जब भी मैं वही चीज़ होता है ना, मेरे सामने लैपटॉप भी होता है और मेरे हाथ में फ़ोन भी होता है, ठीक है, तो आई एम जस्ट स्क्रोलिंग इट, ठीक है, कीप स्क्रोलिंग, बट मेरा मन करता है कि मैं फ़ोन रख दूँ, बट मैं फ़ोन रखता नहीं हूँ, पता नहीं क्यों होता है ऐसा, और मेरी आंखें भी दर्द हो रही हैं, बट स्टिल आई एम स्क्रोलिंग, आई डोंट नो व्हाई.
Because
I
we
was
are,
about to say something.
we
Yeah.
have
Fuck you. Fuck you. I was about to say something.
we have a lot of access to distractions,
Come-
like TV, phones.
No. Yeah, see.
Okay, no, like look around us. We have a lot of access to distractions: TVs, phones, tablets, other stuff. Yeah, older generation say that we didn't have a thing like that because they didn't have as much as distractions that we are having these days.
Yeah,
Yeah.
girlfriends.
Hmm.
Sorry.
No, it's not only that, but see, also people-
Barries.
Huh?
Barries.
Barries.
All Indian barries. We have distractions, no?
Oh, you boys. Yeah.
Okay, North Indian barry too. Sad हो
मैं
गया.
कुछ पूछने वाला था, मैं भूल गया हूँ.
अरे
मैं
कुछ-
वो सोच रहा हूँ अपने दिमाग पे जोर डाल के मैं क्या पूछने वाला था.
It's fine.
Okay, okay.
छी, वो बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन था.
छी,
What
वो-
fine? What fine?
You can ask it when you remember it.
You think I'm gonna remember it now?
Yeah,
No, guys. He will not know.
it's fine.
No. No, seriously, it was a nice question.
Yeah, ask.
Okay.
Also, we are very
Finally.
like, good at thinking outside the box. Like आपके family में किसी ने नहीं सोचा होगा वो करने का, and you are the one who is doing that. So
True, guys.
I have a question.
The scenario.
Like-
Oh yeah. Question.
Yeah. And can ADHD be treated?
Yeah, it can
it can be treated
if
It
there is
can be
proper
treated.
support, not only from our side, also from the people around us.
Yeah, it can be treated by therapies, meditation, lifestyle changes. Like even if you are eating healthy, you are including meditation in your daily lifestyle, so it can be treated like that.
अच्छा, okay.
Also, I have heard कि आप उसको medication से भी treat कर सकते हो.
Medication.
हाँ.
So okay. वो pills लेके?
नहीं, there are like
वो
medicines.
But yeah, but see, are there any chances that we have to take the medicine throughout our life?
Yeah.
Hmm.
What are some common signs of ADHD?
The first one is forgetfulness.
And then not able to finish one task.
Yeah.
We keep jumping from task to task.
Interrupting conversations, like we cannot shut our mouth.
Yeah,
Okay.
and
जो मैं उतनी देर से कर रहा था.
hard to keep up with deadlines.
Okay. Yeah, like, oh, that's what I was about to say. That's what I was about to say. Yeah.
मैं सुना ही नहीं.
Like, see, okay, like I know I have a lot of work to do, but
Yeah.
I'll finish it. Like I will start doing it last minute.
अरे भाई, ये तो रोज होता है मेरे साथ, और फिर मेरे को लगता है आज नहीं तो कल मैं जॉब से निकल गया हूँ.
Yeah, seriously, that happens with me every time, and I'll
और
call her
वो-
and then I'll cry.
तो मेरे को बोला कंटेंट ढूंढने. I was like, okay. फिर
But
मैं
you
फोन
know
स्क्रॉल
what?
कर रहा था.
One
ठीक है.
more thing. Yeah, I was scrolling reels. He was like, make thumbnail for this like particular video.
Video.
I was like, okay. And he has sent me everything that I need. Okay. Then he is asking me, did you make the thumbnail? I was like, oh, I was watching reels.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
happens.
ओके,
See-
मेरे पास एक क्वेश्चन था, बट वो इस पे आएगा नहीं, जमेगा नहीं, तो मैं बाद में पूछूंगा. ओके. या
So, yeah, we love to do our work last minute.
यस.
Yeah, we can't help it.
और इससे ना भाई ये भी चीज होता है ना कि जो
Also,
last
one more
minute-
thing, we are very self-convincing. Like, we
Yeah,
can convince
man.
ourselves, like, okay, we can do it later.
Yeah, the confidence, man. Where do we get that confidence?
Yeah.
I'll be like, hey, this subject, no, I'll get 80, I'll get 70.
तुच्चा
Oh,
subject.
English
This
वाला.
तुच्चा subject.
And one bad thing I experienced it today was that forgetfulness is
ईयरफोन
getting
निकल गया,
like
एक मिनट
so,
रुकना.
that forgetfulness is getting so worse. Today I go 300 meter, I open the maps. I go 300 meter, I open the maps. I'm like, how forgetful am
भाई
I?
मेरे साथ
You know what once happened? So I told you, there was like that something happened to my ear. Okay, so I had to find.
कीड़ा घुस गया था.
Yeah, I had to find like there was this
हॉस्पिटल क्लिनिक.
हाँ, क्या बोलते हैं वो कान के डॉक्टर को, मैं वो भी. I was like, okay, I'll see the map and then
My
go.
ADHD is hitting me so hard. Yeah.
He forgot now.
I was saying something.
Interrupting. Sorry.
Yeah. So I was seeing the map, okay, and I was like, let's go there. Okay. We were 3 people. I was directing, okay, the map.
Me, Srishti, and him.
Ayyo.
I was directing the map, okay. I was like, we have to go here, we have to go there, okay. Then
We are roaming around.
we were roaming like, you know what, in a circle.
For 3 hours.
Yo, seriously,
For
it was
3
raining
hours.
and
Yeah,
we were roaming
man.
in a circle like for 3 hours.
टाइम क्या हो रहा था? टाइम हो रहा था शायद
ADHD.
9 या 10 बज रहे थे रात के.
You're dying. And then the clinic was about to like,
Close.
Then we requested the doctor. He was like, you had an appointment at 7. No, I was like, yeah, but we got late. And you know what that route was like? You have to go straight and take a right. That's it.
That's it.
Oh my god, okay.
Yeah, from our flat, it was like that. And we were roaming like this in a circle. So,
Not a very great story. 3 hours.
yeah, 3 hours, legit 3 hours.
We all should go get it checked. All of us.
Yeah.
And please, parents, normalize getting therapy. Normalize
Please,
treating.
हम पागल नहीं हैं.
Yeah, we are not crazy.
If you don't want us to go crazy, prioritize treating it.
Please, हमारे जैसा हाल हो जाएगा फिर अगले दिन उठ के बोलेंगे चलो पॉडकास्ट करते हैं.
Some people who are famous with ADHD. Yeah.
The first one is Justin Timberlake. Like he's a
Justin
singer.
Bieber.
Justin Timberlake.
Justin Bieber.
Sir, he's gonna be
You know-
focused now.
Justin Bieber.
Proceed.
Sorry.
He's a singer, songwriter, and an
Justin Bieber ना?
Justin Timberlake.
Timber. Justin Timber.
Lake.
Lake.
लकड़ी और लेक.
भाई लकड़ी और लेक क्या सही कॉम्बिनेशन है ना?
Timberlake.
Timberlake.
But you know, timber and
And
lake. You know,
Timber, लकड़ी और
पानी.
झील.
Wow.
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 What a combination.
What a combination. Timberlake. So the next example is Jim Carrey.
Jim
He's
Carrey.
a famous comedian and actor. He has done movies like The Mask, Ace Ventura.
Mamas.
And-
आता हिलते मस्त चलते.
You know what? I was like, I asked my mom, did you watch the podcast? And she was like, yeah. And then I was like, what is the feedback? And she was like, बुराई कर रहे थे ना तुम लोग मेरी.
Auntie, we are so sorry.
So I was like, no, confession.
भूल गया हूँ अब नहीं याद आएगा.
Guys, our confession is that we have ADHD and we keep forgetting what is our confession. So.
Yeah.
Also, we keep forgetting like what we had to shoot.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
The amount of times I'm like, what is the topic? What is the topic? I keep texting.
That's why we write the topics. What we have to shoot next.
Oh
Even-
yeah, and we cannot get the work done until and unless we put it down on a paper, not anywhere else. For us, notes app, that app, this app, sticky notes,
Yeah, वो
paper.
ऐप कुछ नहीं होता
वो
उससे.
उससे कुछ नहीं
That-
होता. वो तो मैं उस पे भी लिख के भूल
वही।
जाता हूँ कि ऐसा भी कोई ऐप है.
फिर अलार्म लगा के मैं सुबह भूल जाता हूँ कि भाई मैंने अलार्म लगाया था। और भाई हाँ, कन्फेशन, सी मेरे को मोटर चलाने के लिए बोला गया था कि मेरे से बोला अपने फ़ोन में अलार्म लगाओ, ठीक है लगाया मैंने। नेक्स्ट डे मैं झूठ बोला था कि हाँ मैंने सुबह अलार्म लगाया था, मैंने हटा दिया। मैंने उसको सच में ऐसे अलार्म लगाया, वो बजा, उस दिन मोटर नहीं चलाना था। और नेक्स्ट डे मैं अलार्म लगाना भूल गया और मोटर उस दिन नहीं चली। फिर they were asking me तुम्हारा अलार्म किधर गया? I was like अभी लगाया था, वो हटा दिया मैंने। वो मैं नहीं बोल पा रहा हूँ, मैं नहीं समझ पा रहा हूँ, मैं भूल गया, अपनी बात ही भूल गया हूँ, मैं अपना कन्फेशन भूल गया हूँ। सॉरी।
It's fine.
सॉरी।
It's fine.
यार किसी को भागने वाले स्टोरी नहीं जानना क्या?
Oh, nobody commented about that.
Yeah, that's नहीं।
It's fine, guys. We'll still give you time. Take your time. Thank you guys for watching this episode where we people who believe we have ADHD were talking about ADHD, showing the signs of ADHD. I hope you had fun, and yeah, let us know in the comment section how you felt about this episode, and let us know if you want us to talk about any particular topic in the next episode. So bye, that's it for today. See you all in the next episode.
Bye. उठ के चुम्मी करूंगा, रुको 1 मिनट।
Okay, bye.